Hey guys, I'm just showing you a picture before I go to bed. It's that bird I said I was going to show you guys. And yeah, this is my bird. It's sitting on a chair that broke in my house. And yeah, this was one sitting on my mom. This was another one sitting on my mom. And so on and so on. I know this is gonna be like an only 1 minute video, but 1 second. Oh, copy this. That is another part of my bird, if you can see, right there. Well, I know you can see, unless you're blind. That this is my bird, and this is its cage, and you can't really see the cage. I will go back an inch to my memories I had. No. There's one right there. He's hiding his eyes. Yeah, that's my fish. My dad took that.